What's up everyone? As you saw from the thumbnail, doing some LEDs today. So I've got high beam, low beam, fog light, running light, the third brake light / cab light, whatever you want to call that one, the one that actually shines into the bed as well. I've got a full replacement for that, and reverse lights. So swapping everything over to LED should make a really good difference. Once again, going with Ninio. Not a paid product placement, I just love these things and I have them in every vehicle. They are insanely bright. If you guys are still doing HIDs, look into LEDs, because you don't have the false starts, you're not dealing with the ballast. I mean, this is it. It's plug and play. There's a little fan on it to keep it cool. That's it. So much better than HIDs. And I mean, now, like, the research has come so far, they're so freaking bright. Like, they're I think better than HIDs. I've had both. I still have one vehicle that has some HIDs that will probably, I've got LEDs and HIDs in that one, but the HIDs will probably go away because these LEDs are really bright. So gonna swap this thing all over. Ignore what's going on under the hood. I am doing some other work on it today, but I'm not recording any of that. It's an oil pressure sensor. It's nothing exciting, nothing to really record. So replacing that right now. I'm just waiting for the engine to cool down. It's hot right now. While it's cooling down, figure I might as well do something fun. I want to show you guys the lights on the interior. Obviously there's one in the door and these little ones overhead, and I've told you about these before, but I wanted to let you see them. Just a real real quick video today, not very long obviously, but wanted to get all those lights in. Makes a huge difference, especially like if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you want to make sure you can see down the road so you can make sure you don't hit a deer. These make a huge difference. So I'm excited that they're all in. Now I've got nice reverse lights. I've got a nice LED light so I can light up the bed. And that third brake light actually wasn't working. I didn't know that. I guess it just needed new bulbs, but now that works too. So I've got all the lights working and now they're all nice and bright. Hopefully you guys like and subscribe. And since I obviously have a problem modifying everything, I will see you soon.